Click Windows icon, type Access, select your MS Access, open blank database, create, go to Files, Option, Trust Center, click Trust Center Setting, Macro Settings, click Enable All Macros, then go to Trusted Location, add new location, this PC, go to Drive C, select SBPS Bohol, check subfolder, okay,